Hi there. I just wanted to do a very quick video about knives and the right sort of knives to use for craft and art journaling. If you're making altered books like I do, you're going to use knives a lot, and it's worthwhile getting a knife that's good. I mean, what I mean is, don't just buy the cheapest knife, because you might end up cutting yourself. It happened to me. I cut myself. I went to a workshop and we were given out some very cheap knives, and they were like these ones. Now you can get these. I bought these, in fact, a while ago. I bought them as a pack of 3, and it cost something like $3. That's 3 New Zealand dollars, which is not very much money at all, and actually they're not even worth that. These are nasty because they're very bendy, very cheap. They're cheaply made, and when I bought them I thought, oh, they're cheap, I'll get those. You know, what's the difference? A knife's a knife. But no, because what happens when you buy a knife like this, as you're cutting paper, it might work quite well the first couple of cuts, and then you're putting more pressure on to get the cut, and that is when you cut yourself. I don't know if you've heard of that saying. It's the blunt knife that cuts, and it's very true. So I would stay away from these. I mean, I had another one, I've thrown it away, and I'm going to probably throw these away. Now the other knives that you can get these ones, which have, you unscrew them and you put the blades in, and this is a good one because you can actually retract the blade, and so now it's completely safe and I can store it and I'm not worried about cutting myself. And these will last a good long time. You change the blades as you need to, so these are a bit more expensive. Actually, they're probably the more expensive out of all of them. These ones the same. This is the classic Stanley knife, but look, you can't retract that blade, so yeah, you've got to be careful what you do with that one. This one is quite good for precision work. It's got blades that you can put in and out from the end. You just open the end up and you can remove the blades. She said, I can't do it now. Yeah, it came out. So, but you have to get the very specialised blades that fit. So yeah, this is quite good for, as I said, for precision work and cutting around things. But if you're cutting lots and lots of pages, the best knife I have found is this one, and this is Calco C5406. I mean, I've seen a few like this, and they're basically a version of this. They're more expensive, so this one was, I guess, about $7, which isn't that expensive really. You get a lot of use out of it, and I think you can get replacement blades. I've used this down to the last one now because you keep snapping them off as you use them, and you use this thing to snap them off. It's very safe. So I'm about to go and buy a new one of these. If I can't find replacement, I prefer to buy replacement blades, obviously, for, you know, the fact of the waste of resources, etc. But that's another thing about these ones. These ones are really crap because they're made of plastic and you just throw them away at the end. I really don't like them. I wish I'd never bought them. Anyway, there you go, live and learn. So yeah, these are good because they last a long time. They're firm in your hand. You can really get to grips with them and cut. So that's what I would recommend. And apart from that, you could always get these, and these will always be good, and these will last ages.